Assalamu alaikum. Welcome students. Today we will discuss about data structures. Data structure means first you should know what is data. All of you know what is data. Data means anything we are storing in the computer, that is nothing but data, information. To form information, we are storing that data by using the data only we are forming the information. Data means it may be a text, it may be images, it may be videos, anything, any format. The data may be in any format, but in computer, we are storing in binary format only. Computer knows the data in binary format only. Binary language, that is zeros and ones. The every data, it may be text, it may be image, or it may be video, that we are storing in the computer. Why we need to store the data? इसकी क्या ज़रूरत है हमें डेटा स्टोर करने की? क्योंकि जो डेटा हम ये बनाए हैं, ये डेटा हमें आगे यूज़ करना चाहते हैं. Whenever we required, we need to use that data. For that, we should store the data. Here data structure means the data, जो डेटा है उस डेटा को हमें किस तरह स्टोर करना है और उसे कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करना है ताकि हमें उसे यूज़ करने में आसानी हो. स्टोर भी करें और उसे अगर फिर से हमें लेना चाहते हैं तो अच्छे करेक्ट वे में हमें यूज़ करें, इजी से हमें उसे रीयूज़ कर सके. इसके लिए हम डेटा स्ट्रक्चर यूज़ करते हैं. क्लियर? डेटा स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स इट इज अ फॉर्मेट इन विच वी आर स्टोरिंग एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग द डेटा इन मेमोरी. डेटा जो भी हम स्टोर कर रहे हैं मेमोरी के अंदर ही स्टोर करेंगे. मेमोरी, इन द मेमोरी वी आर स्टोरिंग और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग द डेटा. दैट इज डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. Clear? Understand? It is a format in which we are storing or organizing the data in the memory. मेमोरी के अंदर हमें जो भी डेटा स्टोर कर रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, वो किस तरह करना है, वो फॉर्मेट को हम कहेंगे डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर टाइप्स. व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर? इन डेटा स्ट्रक्चर there are mainly two types of data structures are there. One is primitive data structure. Second one is non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structures. Primitive means we also say these are the simple data structure. Primitive data structure are simple data structure. Non-primitive data structure are these are the complex data structures. Primitive data structure means which we are created using the primitive data types. You know data types, the basic and fundamental data types. You already know. We already discussed in the previous class also. What are the primitive or fundamental data types? Int, float, character, string, pointer. These are the primitive data types. So by using these only we are creating primitive data structures. Clear? The primitive data structures are primitive data structures. One, integer data structure. Number two, floating point data structure. Floating point. Character data structure. Character. Next, pointer data structure. These are the primitive data structure. These are easy. Whatever integer we want to save, that these primitive data structures are used to save a single value we are storing. For that we are using primitive data structures. Now we will see non-primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structure means these are the complex data structures. These are derived using the primitive data structures only. By using the primitive data structure, integer, floating point, character, pointers, by using that only we are creating these non-primitive data structures. The non-primitive data structures are we say arrays, array. Next, list. After that List is one primitive data structure. In list there are so many ways are there. Files. These are the three non-primitive data structures. Clear? In arrays again there are different three data structures are there. That is one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional, multi-dimensional. We already discussed about these arrays. One dimensional array, two dimensional array, three. Likewise, one dimensional data structure, two dimensional data structure, multi-dimensional data structure. In list, again we are divided into two types. That is, lists are two types: linear and non-linear. Linear data structures, non-linear data structures. Clear? List is a non-primitive data type. Again we divided into two types: linear and non-linear. Linear means that is sequence. We can say sequence. Non-linear means it is non-sequence. Memory is not allocated randomly. Memory allocated. That means linear list, linear data structure, and non-linear data structure. In linear, again we divided into linear data types are not divided. Example for linear data types are stock, queue, linked list, stock, queue, linked list. These are the example for linear data structures. For non-linear data structures are example for non-linear are that is graph and tree. Graph. These are the example for non-linear data structures. Clear? Today just we introduction about the data structure we learn. Again I am repeating. Data structure is a format in which we are storing and organizing the data in the memory. Data structures are two types: primitive data structures, non-primitive data structures. Primitive data structures are that is integer, floating point, character, pointer. These are the example for primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structures are arrays, list, files. These are non-primitive data structures. Array again divided into three types. That is one-dimensional data structure, two-dimensional data structure, multi-dimensional data structure. Clear? In list again divided into two types: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear data structures are stock, queue. These are the linear data structures. Linked list, that is also linear. Non-linear data structures are tree, graph. These are the non-linear data structures. Clear about this? This is about the simple introduction about the data structure. In next class we will see one by one. From non-linear, from arrays we will start the topic. From here we will discuss in this chapter arrays. You know already primitive, you know already integer, floating point, that we already know. Now we will see arrays, list, files. What are these? How to represent this? How we are represented using data structure? We will see in next class. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.